This video is sponsored by Hollister. Hello, what's up you guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today, we are going to have a great day. Okay, I wanted to do this kind of chill day in my life because I feel like most of the day in my life that I've done recently have been college related, and I'm always doing some type of schoolwork, going to class, doing homework, studying, something like that. And I think that it is so important to take time for yourself, even if it's just a little bit of time. So that's pretty much what I want to do today. But before I get into my plan for the day, I wanted to talk about today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Hollister, so thank you so much to Hollister for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to work with Hollister, and what makes this even more exciting is that it has to do with one of my favorite things in the world, which is the holiday season, which is literally right around the corner. It's already here for me, and it's already here for a lot of people. I know people who put up their trees in October. There's no rules this year. 2020 has no rules, okay? This year we seriously need joy in our lives, to say the least. So this year, for the first time ever, Hollister is introducing something called the Hollister Feel Lab, which is a gift-giving lab formulated around the feel that you want to give. This gift guide gives you the ability to shop for gifts that are scientifically engineered to hit them right in the feels. I have some pieces from Hollister that I want to show you guys later on in the video that would be perfect to give as gifts, so I'm really excited about all of them, and I'm excited to show you them. But I think that this is so cool for Hollister to do. It's just another way to get people really excited for the holidays. So I am really happy to work with Hollister on this video, and I will show you guys more later on in the vlog. Alright, so I am looking at my room right now and my floor, and I feel very overwhelmed. So the first thing that I want to do today is clean my room. Okay, there was a point in time on this channel that I cleaned my room in every video, in some capacity in every video, and I have tried to not do that because I was like, this is getting annoying. Like, I literally clean my room all the time, but I don't know the last time that I deep cleaned my room in a video. I need to do that. It is an absolute catastrophe in here. I want to put up my holiday decorations today. I want to make my room feel cozy, but in order to do that, I need to clean it first because it is an absolute train wreck. It looks like there was a tornado that blew through here. It is not good. So that is the first thing on the agenda. I want to get started with that ASAP because it'll probably take a while. That is my plan for right now. Today is Saturday, so college football is on today. If you didn't know, I love college football. It's 11 right now. As soon as it hits 12 o'clock, I'm turning that on, and I'm excited about it. So we need to get started by cleaning my room. I think that I am going to turn on a podcast, which is what I always do. I mean, I've been really loving podcasts lately, especially Emma Chamberlain's Anything Goes podcast, so I think that I'm gonna listen to that. I'm gonna get up, I'm going to show you guys what the heck it looks like in here, and we're gonna get started.
I'll be a story. Trying to think of looking at headlights from inside your window.
Okay, hello. I want to take a break from cleaning. I've actually been taking a break for the past like half hour, but I've made some good progress. I still have a few things that I need to figure out what to do with, where to put them and all that, and I want to vacuum. I need a dust for sure, and I think I'm going to get the wood cleaner, clean my dresser and my side table before I put up my decorations. But I just was opening some packages that I have gotten over the past like week, and a lot of them were gifts that I have been buying. I literally go so crazy when it comes to holiday gifts for people. I love giving gifts. It's like my favorite thing. I wanted to do a little try on haul of some things that I got from Hollister that would make perfect gifts this holiday season. And I'll include links down below if you guys want to check anything out, and you can also use the Hollister Feel Lab gift guide to find these things and more for people on your list this year. Okay, starting off with what I'm actually wearing right now. I have been wearing this hoodie so much. I actually wore it in a video a couple weeks ago. It's so soft and comfy and I love it. So this is actually from Hollister. This is the crop boyfriend hoodie in gray. The design looks like this. I got this one in a large. It is so soft, so comfy. This is a great gift idea. So then next we have these joggers. They actually have ones that match each of the hoodies, but I made the mistake of ordering these in just gray when if I wanted them to match this, I needed to get dark gray. So I'll probably end up buying them in dark gray as well so that I can match this hoodie. But these joggers are called the Ultra High Rise Dad Joggers. And when I tell you that I have never found a pair of joggers that fit me as well as these do and that I love as much as these do, like I literally am living in these. They are so comfy and they fit so well. They have this elastic waistband that hits so nicely right here. I have another pair of them that I will show you right now. These next two things are actually a matching set. It's actually the exact same thing that I was just wearing, the same sweatshirt, obviously just in a different color, and the same exact joggers, just in a different color. What I love about these sweatshirts is not only do they come in different colors, but every color is a completely different style, like a completely different design. I lately have been so obsessed with matching sets. I 100% think that this would be a great gift for somebody. For size reference, this one I got in a medium. The joggers are also just still in a medium. These joggers are everything. I could literally start an Instagram fan page for these joggers. That's how much I love them. You can mix and match. You can get somebody a matching set. I think it's a great gift idea. So, all right, let's move on to the next item. Next, we have jeans. I feel like everybody could always use a nice pair of jeans. These are the curvy high-rise jean legging. I have such issues trying to find jeans that fit me right because typically if they fit me well in my thighs, they are too big around the waist, but if they fit me well around the waist, they're too big in the thighs, which is why I love curvy jeans. Curvy jeans for me personally just fit so much better on my body. They fit well in the thighs and in the waist on the same pair of jeans. Another really good gift to give somebody this holiday season. So next we have this sweater, which not only is it one of the softest articles of clothing ever, like I wish that you guys could feel this right now. It is actually reversible, so you can wear it this way with this as the front and this as the back, which look at how cute. Oh my god. This is the Cozy Reversible Twist sweater, and then I got the color light blue, and this is a medium for size reference. So you can wear it this way, or let me do a transition here. Guys, I can't get over it. I can't get over it. Look at it. And then just the back would be like this, but okay, can we talk about this? I love it. I love how versatile it is. I love how soft and cozy it is. Nobody speak to me. I can't get over this bodysuit, you guys. This is the Cozy Ribbed Balloon Sleeve bodysuit. This is the color cream, and I got a medium for size reference. I am a huge fan of bodysuits, but I have issues sometimes finding ones that fit me right. There's a recurring theme here. I don't know if it's me. Sometimes it isn't like long enough, so it doesn't sit comfortably, and this one I do not have that problem whatsoever. This is the most comfortable bodysuit. Not to mention how cute are these sleeves. It's so easy to make a cute outfit with this, and another great gift to give somebody this holiday season. So the last two things that I'm going to show you guys are both jackets. If you know anything about me, you know I'm a huge jacket girl. I'm really excited to show you these. I'm going to start sweating profusely, but that's fine. All right, you guys. I can't. It's perfect. This is so warm, so soft, obviously. This is the oversized Sherpa hoodie, and it is in brown, and I got this in a large for size reference because we know that I like things oversized. I actually already own this in a different color. I got it last year, and I have it in pink. It's an absolute must have. One more jacket. It's actually a very similar color. Oh, hello. Did someone say puffer jacket season? I did. I love this. I love it. A nice neutral. It looks really cute with this outfit, actually. Just throw on a pair of like cute booties or something and I'm good to go. This is the mock neck puffer jacket. You guys can see. Zip it up. I actually got a size large in this, but it fits me pretty normally. Just another really good basic staple piece for the fall and winter. Great gift idea. I'm sweating. I need to take this off. So if you guys are interested in checking out any of the things that I just showed you, or just checking out Hollister's Feel Lab and gift guide, you guys can click the link down in my description to check it out. Like I said, I will also have the links to everything that I just showed you. So if you want to check out anything in particular, it will all be down below. So again, thank you Hollister for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. That's the end of my try on haul. Thank you for watching. All right, so now I want to turn on some college football because it's actually 1 o'clock now, so I'm an hour late, but that's okay. I'm going to finish cleaning up my room, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna get my holiday decorations bin from downstairs, bring it up here, and we can get to work making my room feel more ready for the holidays and cozy and all of that. So I'm really, really excited. All right, so let's finish cleaning, turn on some college football, and then we can begin decorating. Sweating. Hi, I just brought up my Christmas decorations. Time for me to remind myself what I bought last year and go from there. I know that this is my tree. I know I bought a lot of trees last year. Obviously only one big one, but I have a bunch of mini ones. I think that I want to replace the like fake plants that I have around my room right now with these like holiday ones. I think that'd be fun. Yes! This is my tree that I bought last year. It is from Target. It's the Chip and Joanna line. This is so exciting. That's gonna fit perfectly right in that corner. And now for this bin, which is very dirty. I found it in the attic this morning. That was an adventure. Let's begin. So we have lights. This is kind of like a haul. Oh my gosh, so fun. Except I got all this stuff last year. So this is garland that I don't remember using. Most of this stuff is actually, I think all of this is from Target. This is a little cute decoration, little house going on. Have this star. We have a stocking with an H on it. This is gonna go on my bed after I lint roll it. Oh, I love these little signs. Okay, so we have this one that says dashing through the snow. And then we have this one. It says joyful. Very cute. We have, oh yes, our little sign that says how many days till Christmas. Oh yes, my garland. To hang that same place above my closet. This sign. Okay, so this is a standing one. It says merry and bright. What else do we have? We have our stocking holder. These, I believe, might be the candle wreaths. Potentially. We have this little pine cone situation. This is a candle wreath. And what is this then? I don't know. I don't know what that is. This is another candle wreath. Bless. I'm so creative. Okay, and then we have 4 trees. We have these 2. This one. I love this one. And then we have this one, which is like a mini version, kind of my big tree. I think that that is all that I want to use right now. There's only a couple more things in there. All right, so we got our preliminary decorations. It is still early in the season, so I could definitely go and get more, but definitely this will be great to work with for right now. below. So as you guys just saw, that is my progress that I've made with my holiday decorating. It's actually a couple days later right now, but I wanted to show you guys what I've done so far, and this is by no means the extent of my decorating. There's a 100% chance that I am going to go to Target and buy more decorations. I just haven't gone yet. Honestly, just the fact that I deep cleaned my room was enough for me to feel even better in my space. I say this all the time, but my room is my sanctuary, so when it feels clean and tidy and cozy and nice, it just puts me in such a better mood, and that was the whole goal of pretty much what I wanted to do, and I think that I did a good job. I'm proud and I'm excited to keep decorating and to incorporate more things. But I wanted to come on here and wrap up this vlog because, like I said, it is a couple days later and this was a day in my life video, but I do this every time. Like every single time I vlog a day in my life, I have to come on a couple days later and film the outro because I never do it on the same day. But that's fine. We all have our own path in life. Anywho, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this like chill, relaxing day in my life. It was so nice to not have to do schoolwork for a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. If you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure you turn on my post notifications. It is the little bell icon so that you can get notified right when I post a new video. Again, thank you so much to Hollister for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check them out, check out the Hollister Field Lab. You guys can use the link in my description to do that, and also the links to everything that I showed you guys in my little haul will be down there as well. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.